Hey guys, this is Matthew, SurfacePro Marketing here, coming to you with another video on what is a plugin. So really that is the question. We got to figure out what a plugin is. And that is what this video is about. So when we go into our dashboard, you'll notice under this section, there's going to be a plugin section. And from here, we're going to have a couple of default installed plugins, Security Optimizer and Speed Optimizer from SiteGround. There is the option to add plugins here as well, and then there's a variety of plugins that you can choose from. Plugins that you can search, popular plugins, recommended plugins, favorites plugins. I mean, you can set up your own favorites if you want to. But there are hundreds of thousands of literal plugins and millions of daily active installations in regards to these plugins, and this is really what makes WordPress WordPress. A plugin basically extends the functionality of your website, adds a variety of code to your website that you wouldn't otherwise get, and gives your website the ability to build a really, really cool design. So that is what a plugin is. If we want to install a plugin, the first plugin we're actually going to install is actually a backup plugin. Now, through your SiteGround account, you're going to notice that you actually have you're going to have a variety of plugins available to you here. Not the plugins, sorry. You're going to have a variety of backup options available to you here. So when you go into your websites section, there's a variety of websites inside of here. But when you go into your website section, you are going to want to go into Site Tools. And Security, Backups. Voila. And basically what it does is it'll download a backup on a daily basis and give you a daily backup that you can actually go in and restore from your database, restore all your files in your database, restore your files, and then from your previous day's iteration, your previous day's work, back it up from that. Additionally, we're going to install our very first plugin. We're going to call it this one Updraft. Updraft is a WP backup and migration installation plugin. Basically what it allows you to do is it allows you to, so we're going to go ahead and start. It allows you to back up from your website or migrate and clone your website. If you want to move your website to another domain name, you certainly can do that. There are a bunch of premium and advanced options here as well. The premium options aren't something I typically use, but if we want to, you can do a variety of different backup options. So from here, what we usually do is we'll go and backup and restore, and we can go backup now. If you want to, can include your database in your backup, include your files in your backup, and then click backup now. We're going to cancel that for now. The one thing that I really wanted to show you guys was file backup is on schedule. Can be every 2 hours, every 4 hours, daily if you want to, and retain the scheduled backups for 2 days, 3 days, whatever you want to. Database backup, the same thing. We can set this to daily. And then we can bring this over into our Google Drive, into our Microsoft Azure, into our OneDrive, into our Updraft Vault, into our Dropbox, so that we have an additional location just in case SiteGround ever fails us, and we can go from there. So we're going to do Google Drive, and then what we're going to do is we're going to create a Google Drive called Updraft Plus, sign in with Google. Once you got the account signed in there, you're going to end up choosing include file backups for your plugins, themes, uploads, must use plugins, everything in between, and then you're just going to save changes. And what that's going to do is it's going to save your plugins on a regular basis to your Google Drive account and go from there. All right, that's it for this video. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell below, and we'll get started in the next video where we go over installing our theme and installing a variety of different other plugins for it there as well. Thanks.